Welcome to Powerviz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase the Powerviz visuals from the Microsoft App Stores and assign licenses to your users within the organization. Let's get started. I'm going to click on these three ellipses here and select Get More Visuals. I'm going to search for TrueViz, and these are all the visuals that we are currently offering. Let's say, for example, I want to purchase funnel chart. I'm going to click on funnel chart here. On the next screen, I have option here to add. I also have an option here to buy now. Let me first click on add so that my visual gets added to the Power BI report. And now I can add this visual to my report page. And then you can see that there's a little icon that is appearing here which says get a license. So let's click on get a license and then click on get a license again. This will take you to the Microsoft App Stores. Let's search for TrueViz again. Here is the funnel chart that we want to buy. I'm going to click on this and then we have the buy now option. I'm going to click on buy now. This will take you to the page where you can choose a plan of your choice. We have starting from 1 to 200 users, 200 to 1000 users. We also have an unlimited plan. Now let me choose a plan here and then click on next, and then you have your billing information that is available here, whether you can choose whether it's a recurring billing or not, number of users, etc. Let me just enter 2 users here and then head to the next section here and then click on next. On the next screen, you have to set up your payment method. I have my payment method set up here already. So I'm gonna now click on place order. It will take a few seconds for the order to be placed. It will verify the details and then process the order. Once the order has been processed, you will see all the details here. You have your invoice details, you have your price, the billing term, etc. And then the next step would be to go to the admin center and assign licenses to your user. So let's click on assign licenses. This will take you to the admin center. In the admin center, you will see the visual that you have purchased. I'm going to select funnel chart here. This will take you to the screen where you can assign licenses here. If you click on assign license, this will take you through a next screen where you will be able to either add a group, or you can search by name or enter an email address directly. So let me, for example, enter my email address here and then click on OK, click on assign. And you can see that licenses have been assigned successfully. I'm going to click on close now. And then in this screen also, you will be able to see the number of licenses that have been assigned. I have 2 licenses. Out of that, 1 license has been assigned. And here you also have an option to export the list of users who have access to this particular visual. Now that the license has been assigned to myself, I can now head back to my Power BI report and refresh this particular page here. And let's head back into edit mode. And you will see that I no longer have that green icon here, which was appearing before. Now the license has been successfully assigned to me. So this is how you assign licenses to your users in the organization. But in case if you come across any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. We will be happy to assist.